Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Okay, so say for instance on this image, we desaturated the church and we got a look that kind of looks like this. But say for instance, you took away color on the background that you did not want to be taken away. So now what you want to do is basically merge this saturation layers down. So we're going to click on the little arrow that's right above the opacity and hit merge down. You can either hit Command or Control E as well for a shortcut. Merge down. So it merged everything down onto this layer. Now all I have to do is simply go to your history brush tool, which is right over here, and let me zoom in for you guys. It's right there, history brush tool. And all you have to do is just paint, and it's going to bring back everything for you, anything you want. If you even want, say for instance, sign color, but you don't want the church to be in color, you can just paint back everything we want. And this is just in the instance that it accidentally erased something that you didn't want to be erased. So sometimes that happens. Sometimes when you're using this kind of method of color inverse, it takes away stuff that you don't want. So basically I wanted to show you guys that you can use your history brush to actually bring stuff back. It's a very simple method, and it's very effective, and it's very, very quick. So I'm actually going to show you guys another thing you can do with the saturation and we're going to actually change the color of the sky. So I'm going to show you that in the next clip.